testing. Oh, there we have audio. So let's go and see. Also, I need to fix my left screen. It doesn't have any screen capture. So right, I know why. Is this it? No. Test. That's very odd. I'll just remove this one and add a new instead. So, adding a new. Let's see. Display capture. A new. So, I guess we call this middle screen. As it's new and it's a new screen. And that's why we currently have 3 now. So capture method, select screen. So why is this screen an odd size? Here, that's the second one, and this should be the primary. Yeah. Okay, so there's actually nothing connected to the third one, or rather, there's an HDMI cable. It's just nothing there. So capture cursor, we definitely want that. So now we can move this over here. Hi, now we have sound. Yeah, it's actually not. Well, the mic is new, kinda. Also, is the mic like clipping or anything as it's going to the red? Is it okay audio volume? And also, I can see that I need to fix the filter. So let's actually trim that a little bit down. See, testing. Yeah, I think kinda it was good before. Let's yeah, that's not where I'm going really. So I want to go to filters. Am I blind? Yeah, there it is. So the filter that is enabled is this one. So select plugin. Ooh, why? So all of these are dead. Why? So we can boot into my other configuration and see what it looks like there. It's still, it's just, this is a new hard drive or an SSD. This is a 1 tera SSD now, so let's make the camera work. Imaging edge. This is the thing. Windows. So let's save that. So I'm gonna have to start the camera too, but we can install it first. We'll see if we have to reboot. It's Windows. Yeah. So now we can actually use C for these things. So hope no reboot, or I will have to reboot. So we have a little imaging edge. What about the other icons? So I'm assuming it wants me to run that, right? Because it will say the same thing, probably. Yeah. Edge web view. So I'm kind of like saying no to this. Something called using Microsoft Edge. So yeah, so we want to be able to live view stuff. Come on. So usually there's 4 icons. So we have also I should get icons automatically. I don't know why it's not syncing. I should be signed in, but I guess I wasn't. Sign in, nothing. So there's nothing installed except for OBS. Firefox, and to copy the files I needed Total Command Word. So, and we also installed 7 steps. That's all the things so far. That's all. I'm eating a bit. So let's actually test this. Is this the right channel? No, I kind of thought so. It looked like it wasn't really logged in there. Join Twitch. No, I wanted to log in. Log in. Okay. I just copied the password some while back. Twitch. Right account. It's not like it's on screen. It's just me being safe. And getting a code on my mail. So now I can send the test. I'm making sure it's the right account, and for some reason this is bright light. So I'll have to fix so the computer is in dark mode, and for that I have to grab the key that I have on the server that I have not even connected to yet, so some work ahead. But I'm quite happy to be able to use mics now. Lingonberry jam on the desk. So I've been spending like yeah, OBS access for Linux is just very limited compared, so it's not really the same program. I run it on Kali, but it's, you know, just not exactly the same. So what's this phone doing now? It's still running programs. So it's starting to close up to midnight over here. Actually, I'm gonna start the TTS for YouTube. No, for Twitch. I don't have for YouTube on my phone, but for Twitch I have on my phone. So if someone types in chat now on Twitch, so I'm gonna do a test message here. Let's see. Oh, right, Denmark. Yeah, Nielsen sounds very, very like Danish or Norwegian, maybe. So now I have 2 water bottles here. Maybe that's a bit much. So I'm gonna see if I can...
Connected to channel Fixit 42.
There. Now we can do a test.
Fixit says, test.
Alright, oh, cool, it changes size because this screen is at the 125%, and I haven't set that to the other screen. So let's actually go to display settings and go to this screen. This one is actually on this side. So this screen, and that one 225. I think it's too tiny.
Says, now I am also on Twitch.
Welcome in. So Twitch is a better streaming platform. It's so many more things you can, do in Twitch. You have like the redeems and things. It's more fun. So I don't have any redeems or anything up for now because we're just installing stuff. Rather, we can start all the programs, and most of them will probably work fine. For OBS, I needed to install it because there were some requirements that were not in the computer. So so let's go to this one too. So it's nice and big on these things. And when I open this, it's not mini text, And the dark mode, I will fix dark mode, but I need the key first. Rather, I'm gonna put in the key so I don't have to mess around. They can do it anyway. I need to sit. I've been standing for, 10 hours, I guess, since I've been doing this, so And also my floor is filled with stuff that we've been cleaning, so it's such a mess. Let's see. The chair is filled with stuff. That's what I'm moving now. Then we'll see if they actually could just throw the rest of the chair. And I'm gonna lower the desk. Let's see. So let's see if we installed stuff for the camera. Oh, so nice to sit. So I moved my desk on its legs, you know. I unscrewed all the 17 screws, and they're still not put back. I have to make new holes, so it will take some time to. I won't use a drill or anything. Just it's oak, so it can handle a bit of pressure. It's very odd does not have 3 screens, but I just have 2 because my new third one, it doesn't have a power cable, so I have to find where I have the power cable. So as it's connected, it keeps saying this. So usually I have OBS on my third screen, so I don't know where to put it now. On the second screen, I guess. So this screen is... Oh! I didn't do apply on that. So apply. So this screen is that's not plugged in. It's just an HDMI cable connected. And then we have this one, which is a display port, and this is a quicker screen. So I'm thinking if I'm playing games, I'll use this screen. And then these are my old normal screens. And then I had a tiny one that actually was like this before. It was a VGA, old Dell screen, 3443 or whatever it is. I don't remember anymore. Actually, we can set the resolution. This is 1080. Nah, it's not there. So that's why it says this. So it hops a bit when I do apply. Oh, and it went black too? So, in the video directory, I also have Sammy. So, making shortcuts is like a bit of overdoing it when it should sync with OneDrive and the icons should just pop up. And I have the same path that I used to, so now my stream phone should work. Let's make sure that OBS, and this needs access to, of course, but it's already connected to OBS here because I've just opened those things, and this doesn't need installation. So we have StreamerBot next. So my stream control phone wasn't on, so I need to start it. The power ran out when it wasn't connected when I was rebuilding the desk. So StreamerBot.exe. Create shortcuts. And let's start it and see if it requires any installations or anything. I kind of think it will do good, right? Yeah, so it's already running. So now we should have... yeah, I think this might not be how I had it. Probably it was. So let's test something. Let's see if the phone started. Yeah. I'm starting the app I use for controlling stream. I'm gonna use the buttons to hop between stuff. Also, this is not my normal. We usually have things. Oh, look. Yeah, so this one is actually left screen and this is right screen. We should make a new one that is a copy of right screen. That should be called middle screen. So let's make a duplicate.
You can always test Notepad, lol.
Middle screen. So as the old screens are like the old ones, and this one is in the middle. And I never used to let people switch to my left screen, so I called this left and this right. So now we're going to change this. So let's screen capture. I will display capture. And let's add the middle one we just added. And I'm just curious. Yeah, they're at the bottom. So is this a thing the most on the bottom? I'm confused. So here we could see the background. Yeah, so this is the bottom. And then we build on that, which is logical, I guess, in a way. So we have a black camera. We need to fix the camera. So I can't see this, as it's not actually on the screen, as the screen doesn't have a power cable. It obviously has enough power from the HDMI to have some kind of life, but it's not on. I don't know. Maybe it's just sensing there's something there, so it puts it up on Windows. So these two we can see the images, and this one we put this on top. That's why we can't see the black thing there. So if you type in any, actually only Twitch chat on screen, or still right. So middle screen, let's delete the right screen from there. So now we have left, middle and right. And this one doesn't exist for me yet. I can only see these two. And I have a button if I load the deck here. So I'll turn off the camera for now. So it should be saved. No. Oh, it's not saved. That's interesting. Yeah, I might enable it all the time. So anyway, we can see the screens. That's nice. So I started with changing this one before I thought about it. But let's fix these up, right? I guess we're actually... Alright, I need a new button. So we have only got left and right. Or maybe I will keep having stuff that you are not supposed to see on the screen at the end, you know? The actual left one, no. When I call the middle screen. Yeah, so this kind of looks nice. I have my phone on the left side of the mic and this button phone on the right side. And it doesn't have battery, so I can't do anything with that. But now we have a mic again. Nice. Like I keep doing that, of course. Let's see if we can fix it instead. So, is there anything else we want to run? Yeah, Chrome. We want to run Chrome. And we want to go to tts.bat. So, right. We installed that. Let's see if we can start it now. It's finished. We were waiting. And I'm gonna start the phone, start the camera. So it is popped up. Setting of device. Seriously. Right, now we have remote view and edit. Nice. So I must download more stuff. So that's why we only had one icon to start with. So these are the 3 extra icons that I meant. So the lights are still on, so they've been on since before I started the installation. Profiles, Sony Imaging Edge. Yes, and I'm not worried now. So this is my old main drive, my sister drive. I couldn't install a thing here. And this is just Windows installation, 7-zip and Firefox kinda, right? And the directory. I guess it was 12 gigs. And this is just, yeah, it's just funny. So, install. We want to install a remote camera. That's the important thing. So we got the rest of the icons. We agree. We want to use this. So, again. How many times do you think I need to click it? 3 for the 3 programs, maybe. We don't want to answer a survey now. Image synthesis GPU will, okay. Yeah. And we need to install better drivers too, probably. It's just the default Windows. Viewer remote. I think this is like viewer is, yeah. So now we connect to the camera. Should I double click? Hello, I'm blurry. So we can do like a half click. Oh right, it's on manual. There. That's how blurry I am, really. But it's also zoomed, so my gosh. Yeah, I'm blurry still. It doesn't matter. Look like a witch here. So we have connection. So now we're gonna close all these programs. And I will leave the...
It is okay on Twitch.
Okay, thanks. Let's go to the actual camera. Actually, let's make this bigger. Let's hop you over so you can see what I'm seeing. Well, I don't like the bright light here. So this should be a full screen of it. And we deactivate and we activate. So I might have to restart OBS for this to work. Or maybe we just add a new camera, as it's actually a new setup, so it might be a new camera. Video capture device, A68-2, and right. So what I should have done was not to create this one, but to actually go into properties and make sure that, oh yeah, so Sony Imaging Edge is not available here now. It has a USB video. And I know what USB video is. It's this is annoying. Yeah, I think I'll have to restart this. So if anyone's on YouTube, hop over to Twitch because I need to restart OBS. Should I restart the whole computer? Because on YouTube, you can have several streams at once. And it's not like just one, like a TV channel that you can go on and off on how many times you want. So you'll get a new video, like a new stream there. So this is complicated. So I'm gonna stop streaming, create a new stream on YouTube. I think I'll restart too. Let's actually update the video drivers first. So let's hop back. Alright. Oh, this doesn't work because I want the middle screen there. That's because I named it like that. That's my fault. So, NVIDIA drivers. And it's almost midnight, and I'm still eating my, like, possibly dinner, possibly even lunch. So so many alternatives. Notebooks. GeForce 10 series. Yeah, because they start with 10. And then there's operating systems. Oh, whatever. So TI, I don't think it's called TI. I think it's just this. Fine, I guess. This is like, don't they usually just have one executable you install and it does all the things, right? Maybe it's better just to install a simple one. Let's do this for now. Yeah, the NVIDIA app. I kinda don't like that thing really to have stuff running that you don't need. So I didn't actually read what it said. So as for Windows 11, the same driver. That's always good to know for some reason. So So now I'm thinking, what's a program called that I use to make USB images? So let's go to the old one, system. I should rename it. Let's do that. So this one should be, oh, so I kind of expected it to open up the settings dialog really more. Here, this. So old. What's this? So it didn't do anything. Yeah, it did. Just needed an F5. So I should probably reject that. That's my installation USB for Windows 10. So can't access my own directory. I think it should realize it's the same user, as it's both using Microsoft account, right? I remember the name. Belina Etcher. So Chrome. No, Chrome. Is this where I download Chrome? I only use Chrome for one thing, and that is for the TTS. So I don't use it for anything else. So to run the TTS we need it. So let's do one thing at a time, starting with the graphics driver. And then we'll do a restart to get it all working fine. Yeah, so all of the things I had installed there, there's no data except for my Kali VM. That's the only thing. And I'm kind of thinking I'll keep VMs on this drive, so but I might remove all the data and like put it back here, so I know that it's not like old data. We can delete lots of stuff here. We could delete all of this, at least. What's this? Yeah, I kind of thought so. What could that be? Print drivers. We don't have any HP printers anymore. This is my mail. The mail, that's important. We need a set of mail. So, as I still can boot on this drive, you know, I'm not gonna like change too much at once. We have like dual boot between both versions, both drives. So if there's something I need to go back and check, we can just do that. Like mail settings. Or we can like do the same thing that we did. So I don't think there's any information in this directory really. I think it's in data. Part might be here. No. And most probably in the user directory, right? So many dot directories. I don't know where it uses, what it uses. So is it finished? Let's see what it asks for. Well, it's clean. Can't be anything but a clean installation, right? We do have a driver already though. But I am assuming that the one Microsoft brings is not the newest. It might. I'm lazy. It's not doing anything, is it? What's this button? I did click enter though. So roaming Thunderbird. So I looked for the same name, which was Mozilla Thunderbird. It was a directory in program files. So that's what I was looking for. Right, we still have the non-fixed audio. That's... How bad is the audio really? You can hear the computer. I have to go and look. So I won't be logged in as it's a new. It's always fun to see what it suggests when you're not logged in.
Mitch Sack says, "Hey guys."
Hi. So, fresh install of Windows here. But I've got my Firefox stuff. Another one. Let's see, what did it say?
DK says, "Looking okay, out on Twitch."
Good, good. So I've just gotten 3 codes for this for Twitch. Every login, you know, it's